Article 151. This article establishes the office of the Controller and Auditor General, CAG, for each state, similar to the office at the central level, to audit the accounts of the state governments and local bodies. Article 152. This article defines the scope and jurisdiction of the CAG at the state level. Article 153. This article deals with the appointment of the Governor of a state by the President of India and outlines the eligibility criteria for the role. Article 154. This article outlines the duties and powers of the Governor of a state, including summoning the state legislature, proroguing or dissolving it, and appointing judges of the state high court. Article 155. This article specifies the term of office of the Governor of a state, which is 5 years unless he/she resigns or is removed from office. Article 156. This article specifies the procedure for the removal of the Governor of a state from office. Article 157. This article defines the eligibility criteria for the appointment of the Advocate General of a state. Article 158. This article outlines the duties and powers of the Advocate General of a state, including providing legal advice to the government of the state and representing the state government in legal matters. Article 159. This article specifies the term of office of the Advocate General of a state, which is not fixed by the Constitution but determined by the state government. Article 160. This article provides the Governor of a state with the power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment to convicted persons. Article 161. This article provides the Governor of a state with the power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment to convicted persons. Article 162. This article specifies the powers of the state government in relation to executive powers, including the power to appoint and dismiss state officials and the power to carry out the functions of the state government. Article 163. This article specifies the powers of the Governor of a state, including the power to take action in an emergency situation. Article 164. This article deals with the appointment and dismissal of ministers by the Governor of a state, as well as their term of office and qualifications. Article 165. This article provides for the appointment of advocates as state advocates by the Governor of a state, with the approval of the President. Article 166. This article specifies the duties and powers of the Chief Minister of a state, including the appointment of state officials and the allocation of portfolios to state ministers. Article 167. This article specifies the duties and powers of a minister of a state, including the power to take actions related to their assigned portfolios. Article 168. This article provides for the constitution of the state legislature, which is composed of the governor and two houses, the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council. Article 169. This article provides for the abolition or creation of a legislative council in a state, with the approval of the President of India. Article 170. This article deals with the composition of the Legislative Assembly of a state and specifies the qualifications required for a person to become a member. Article 171. This article provides for the composition of the Legislative Council of a state and specifies the qualifications required for a person to become a member. Article 172. This article provides for the duration of the Legislative Assembly of a state, which is 5 years, unless dissolved earlier by the Governor. Article 174. This article deals with the convening of sessions of the state legislature by the Governor, the minimum and maximum gap between two sessions, and the place where the sessions are to be held. Article 175. This article provides for the prorogation and dissolution of the state legislature by the Governor. Article 176. This article deals with the conduct of the business of the state legislature. Article 177. This article provides for the rights of the ministers and Advocate General to speak and take part in the proceedings of the state legislature. Article 178. This article deals with the appointment of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly and their term of office. Article 179. This article deals with the election of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly. Article 180. This article deals with the removal of the Speaker or Deputy Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly. Article 181. This article provides for the powers and functions of the Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly. Article 182. This article provides for the powers and functions of the Deputy Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly. Article 183. This article provides for the qualifications for being a member of the State Legislative Council. Article 184. This article deals with the composition of the State Legislative Council. Article 185. This article provides for the election of the chairman and deputy chairman of the State Legislative Council. Article 186. This article deals with the removal of the chairman or deputy chairman of the State Legislative Council. Article 187. This article provides for the powers and functions of the chairman of the State Legislative Council. Article 188. This article provides for the powers and functions of the deputy chairman of the State Legislative Council. Article 189. This article deals with the conduct of the business of the State Legislative Council. Article 190. This article deals with the prorogation and dissolution of the State Legislative Council by the Governor. Article 191. This article provides for the disqualifications for being a member of the State Legislature. Article 192. This article deals with the powers of the state legislature to make laws with respect to disqualification of its members. Article 193. This article deals with the powers of the governor to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment to convicted persons. Article 194. This article provides for the powers and privileges of the state legislature and its members. Article 195. This article provides for the powers of the state legislature to punish its members for breach of its privileges. Article 196. This article provides for the powers and functions of the Advocate General of a state. Article 197. This article deals with the salaries and allowances of the Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Chairman, and Deputy Chairman of the state legislature. Article 198. This article deals with the salaries and allowances of the members of the state legislature. Article 199. This article provides for the establishment of a contingency fund for each state. Article 200. This article deals with the assent and withholding of assent by the governor to bills passed by the state legislature, and the power of the governor to return the bill for reconsideration by the state legislature.